Welcome back with another video. Sometimes we feel that our valuable documents and data is being used and traded by other people with their own tax. So we have to put some restrictions on our data to prevent this spreads. We basically use watermark to prevent our data and valuable information. A watermark is an image or text that appears behind the main text of the document. It is usually a lighter shade than a text, so you can read the document easily. So let's start how to put a watermark in a document. Click on page layout, click on watermark. So there are many templates are available. I use custom watermark. Through custom watermark, I can create my own template. Click on text watermark. Let's suppose I write here my own name and in color I select green. Layout. Let's suppose I select horizontal. Apply and close. Here we can see that our watermark is put here. Thank you very much.